This question here is about something that we at Grateful refer to as subscription algebra. Now, subscription algebra is the idea of having an included amount. So, as an example of subscription algebra, just imagine when cell phones first became popularized, you would pay by the minute. So, you would have a plan that cost $40 and it included something like 600 minutes. It included something like 600 minutes. After that, you would pay 25 cents per minute after you exceeded your original allotment of 600 minutes. And in this situation, the equation would look like this. You'd have the 40, and then you would pay the 0.25, the 25 cents, and you would pay it x minus 600 times. And this would only work if x were greater than or equal to 600, but that's okay because in these situations, it always is greater than or equal to 600. And so this is the idea of the subscription algebra, the included amount. That basically says, for instance, that if I did 610 minutes, there would be a 610 in for X, and therefore that whole green thing would equal 10, and you would pay the 25 cents 10 times. Or imagine if you talked 700 minutes, the green thing would be 700 minus 600. It would equal 100. And now you're paying the 25 cents 100 times. So this is similar to writing a computer program where you kind of write some code or some equation that just has some function, but once it's done perfectly, it works when you need it to work. So here, the cost of what we're paying for is $270. Now that includes 1 day, but we're going to be paying $135 for each additional day. So in our cell phone example, we had 600 minutes included, so the parentheses had x minus 600. Here we have 1 day included, so the parentheses is x minus 1. And this is the equation that'll work. The thing about 10 days ends up being extra information because we never really go a certain number of days anyway. But if you simplify this, you'll have 270 plus, now we're distributing 135 here and here. So 135x minus 135, and then combining your like terms, this and this, that combines to 135 right there. So we'll have the 135x plus the extra 135. And that's answer choice D for this question.